Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find deleted apps on iPhone. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is open the App Store on your iPhone. And in the App Store, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. So make sure you're signed in to the correct Apple ID account. And on your account page, tap Purchased or Apps, depending on your iOS version. So this will take you to a list of all apps linked to your Apple ID. So at the top of the screen, you will see an option that says All. So this shows both installed and uninstalled apps. Now tap on Not on this iPhone to filter the list. So this will display apps that are no longer available on your device. It can also include apps installed on other devices linked to your Apple ID. So just scroll through the list to find the app you've deleted. And you can also use the search bar at the top if you're looking for a specific app, like so. And after that, it's done. So that's how to find deleted apps on iPhone. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.